Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Can we jump rope daily? Is it okay to jump rope daily? This is a question or a comment which has come in our channel quite a few times, both here in YouTube and in Instagram. In fact, a few weeks back, one of our viewers, Mr. Vivek, had asked this question, to whom I had replied that I shall come back to you with a video on this subject after I jump consistently for a month daily. So that is what we will speak about in this video today. In the month of July, I jumped every day except on Wednesdays. I took a break on every Wednesday of July. So 26 days I jumped in July and I did about 50,000 jumps. So that's an average of close to 1,900 jumps plus per day. So I thought I'll come back and answer the question of can we jump rope daily? Without wasting much time, let me answer the question from my point of view. The answer is yes, provided we do a few things. What are these things which has helped me in jump rope daily? It is not only in July that I have jumped daily. In fact, I have been jumping very consistently from last August for the last 12 months. That happened to be the time when I started using the Crossrope AMP handles and the Crossrope app. See, with that you can measure and analyze the data of your jumps. So here we are measuring clearly our performance and it helps us to improve over our previous session, previous month, previous week or yesterday. So there have been months where I have had a jump streak of say 2 weeks, 3 weeks without a break and all that. So I have done that. So what are the things which you have to keep in mind if you are intending to jump rope daily? A few things. Before you start your jump session, a warm-up is very important. There's no particular set of warm-up that I follow. It is just that I try to activate my body, get my heart rate slightly above the base rate, get my joints moving, and then I start my jump rope. And typically my workout routine is after about 10 minutes or 20 minutes of jumping, I do a little bit of body weight exercises or dumbbell exercises, or nowadays I've started using the resistance band, which I'm liking a lot. And I ensure to do stretches after I finish the workout session. And most importantly, after a shower, when I sit on my sofa or my couch, I give myself a massage, especially the leg massages with my hands. I just press down my leg muscles, and I will tell you that is what has actually been magical for me. After a good 5-minute massage for each leg, you will feel fresh and light the next day, ready to go jumping. So that has been my personal experience. And most importantly, see, we are all looking at jump rope as an exercise for cardio, for losing weight, for feeling light, correct? We are not getting into showmanship and we are not doing a jump rope performance. So we are largely into a cardio mode of workout with the jump ropes. So as long as your jumps are low, jumps are soft, and we are not making contact with the heel, we are good. But if we get into complicated stuff like triple unders, TJs, where the takeoff is very hard, landing is also going to be very hard, these rules may not be applicable. This is my personal view. If you're looking at jump rope just as a cardio tool for weight maintenance or weight reduction or better metabolism, these tips would be applicable to you also. So that's it, friends. I jump daily, almost daily. And one more thing, friends, working out or jumping rope consistently is important. Equally important is to taking breaks in a consistent manner. So that is what I have tried to implement in the month of July, where every Wednesday I have taken a break. I plan to follow that in the coming months also. So this month I'm thinking of taking Thursdays as a break. I just want to see how consistent I can be when I change the plan also, because a little bit of change of plan helps in shortening the body and kind of realigning it to the new plan. So that's it, friends. I hope I've answered the question raised by many of you. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feedback, suggestions, please do leave it in the comment. Till I meet you in the next video, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye bye.